to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to watch Beanie Blink Twice official music video teaser number 2. So sobrang biglaan ulit to kasi nakita ko lang bigla sa feed ko dito sa YouTube na may parang premiere nitong music video teaser number 2. So agad-agad ito mag-video ako, and then inaantay lang natin matapos yung countdown sa premiere nung video. And then regarding naman sa song ni Jisoo, of course magre-react ako doon, guys. Hindi na ako nanood ng teaser para may thrill yung reaction ko sa song ni Jisoo. And kapag mabablock siya dito sa YouTube, matik i-upload ko siya sa Patreon ko, pero if want nyo lang naman kasi may bayad doon. So baka doon ko i-upload yung reaction ko sa music video ni Jisoo, sa song niya and sa album niya. Pero ayun, basta pagka nabablock dito sa YouTube, automatic na yon, sa Patreon ko siya i-upload. Pero ito na, malapit nang matapos yung countdown itong premiere ng Blink Twice official music video teaser number 2. Yung unang teaser, grabe, sobrang ikli lang niya, 18 seconds or wala pa tang 18 seconds yun, pero grabe ng impact niya kasi grabe yung outfits nila doon and yung visual. So eto na, malapit na mag-start, let's go. So eto na, guys, 1, 11, 10, 9. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Meron kayang bagong patikim sa lines. Ganun siya yung last time kay Mika, diba? Oh my God! Yung visuals! Wow! Wait lang, the choreo, the visuals! What? Parang nasa outer space. With this outfit! Oh my God! Feeling ko ito isusot nila sa concert. Kasi parang pang concert siya, oh. Oh my God! Ilang seconds yun? True, besista ako. Like, we need to, to shot by shot. Oh my God! Ang ganda! Wait. Grabe, ang ganda ni Aya. Like, what? Hindi ko makuha. Oh my God! Queen! I mean, lahat naman sila, si Stock. Oh my gosh. Parang, alam mo yun, may sarili talagang ring light si Stock. Like, yung spotlight sa kanya. And that's it. Oh my gosh. The choreo! I'm super excited! Ay, Colette! Kikay Colette. Oh my gosh, I cannot! Sa lugar ng mga pogi, pero kikay sila dito. Oh my God! Parang nasa somewhere sila. Like, para siyang lab or experiment room. Pero, the outfits, the holding hands, Abunjings, and then Mick Gwen. Oh my gosh, this trio sa lugar ng mga pogi. I cannot. Red hair makeup. Parang nag-connect sila doon. Tapos, ito tapos nabuksan yung The choreo! I cannot! Guys, I'm super excited. Parang nga siyang pinsan ni Cherry on top or ni Salamin. The visual! The choreo! I cannot meet the choreo. Oh my gosh. Tapos, what if may dance break to? Pero ayoko umasa. What if lang naman, may dance break sa concert. Kasi, alam mo naman natin ang Beanie, sila, parang natural na sa kanila, sa every song nila may dance break. Kahit walang dance break, lalagyan nila. Oh my gosh, this look on Sheena. Oh my gosh, Sheena! The earrings, LV. Oh my gosh.
Blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the
I love that choreo.
Give you some advice.
High pressure. love the outfits, the colors. Sobrang aesthetic. Like, ang linis tingnan nung outfits. Colette! Oh my gosh, Colette! Pwede ba i-slow mo natin? Kasi super bilis nitong teaser na to. Kagaya ng last time. Wait lang. In-slow mo ko, guys. Oh my God! Ow! The choreo. Oh my God, Colette. Oh my God, the choreo. I'm so excited. May kaya there. Last na talaga, guys. Last na. Hindi ako makamove on. Like, super ganda na. Oh my God, Colette. Super ganda ng teaser. Like,
Twice. Are you naughty or nice?
oh my God.
Add a little spice if you're tryna roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice.
Grabe naman si Joe doon. Bigay na bigay. Look at Joe. Wow.
He's not even thinking about me.
Sabi ko last na yun, di ba? Last na talaga.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're tryna roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice.
Oh, the set. Parang Aiden.
He's not even thinking.
Wow, I love the logo, the name. So, ayan, oh my gosh guys, I'm super excited na mapanood yung Blink Twice music video tomorrow na yan, 9 p.m. Sabay-sabay nating abangan at panoodin. Like, grabe, oh my gosh. I mean, grabe kasi yung song, yung lyrics, sobrang catchy, and then yung beat. Tapos, ayun nga, ang ganda ng outfits nila dito sa music video. Grabe yung visuals, like, sobrang aesthetic ng colors ng outfits nila. And pati yung set, like, alam mo, pinaghandaan talaga yung set. Talagang Yumi Us and Beanie, wala, on top, never disappoint. Grabe. Like, yung visuals, oh my gosh, si Colette, Kikay Colette. Actually, Kikay Beanie, di ba? Pero, hindi maangas pa din yung dating ni Colette, ni Mika, tsaka ni Gwen. Ayun nga, sa lugar ng mga pogi as always. Pero, oh my gosh. What? Wow, grabe yung teaser. Legit na teaser talaga. Yung, alam mo yung ini-spoil nila na lyrics, ay hindi yung nasa extended eh. So, parang, alam mo yun, nagigets mo na yung vibes or yung beat ng music, pero who knows, baka, di ba, may ibang atake pa silang gawin dun sa buong song. Pero dito sa teaser, grabe yung visuals, yung outfits, yung set, wala. Tapos ang laban. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!